Another small update for the DAZA. What I'm doing today, I paused the cylinder head. I'm separating the piston from the connecting rod. I'll mount it back again. Like I said, it's important to be on the same number connecting rod to run on the same cylinder. So I already wrote also down the number. This is located on the 48 connecting rod. I can write only 8, right? Yeah, okay, yeah, never mind. Anyhow, what I'm doing now, first washing it, inspecting it to see that everything is fine, that doesn't have any problem, especially here on the small end, to don't have any extra wear or something, before I get any measurement. Piston, I'm checking if it's worth it to continue to measure it and use the piston again. If, let us say, it was rattling the piston, you can see more wear here at this point and more wear at this point. The same thing also from the other side. Since you see the machining lines and everything is nice, don't pay attention up, it's okay. I can polish it if I want, but it doesn't make any difference. Okay, so since it's okay, I can continue and measure it. I can put in the cylinder inside with the filler cage and I can measure it outside with a micrometer. That's the next step. Now, if I see, let us say, some wear here, in all of them, let's say the same wear, you can determine how long you're gonna last the piston, because you're gonna run on the same engine, the same car, you're gonna be driven from the same owner, so you're gonna have a guess, let us say, how long you're gonna last. Now, since to me, optical, visually, I see minimum wear on the piston. Again, I'm saying again, I haven't measured it yet. That's the first, like I said, okay? That's the first thing, if it's worth it to measure it, because if I see so much wear, it's not even worth it, okay? Like this, I can continue washing also the rest. Important thing, to remove all the carbon from the groove here. It has one piece of carbon there, I didn't remove it, yay! Okay, to be nice and clean inside, to be visible all the machining lines around, the coating to be here, to don't disappear, just to have an idea how it looks like. Okay, this been passed only through petrol. Does have any mark, any pinking, something on it, like the same thing like the cylinder head. It was nice and clean. It matters so much the ethanol, methanol. I'm gonna have a conversation with the owner about that. Here I have the piston rings I put just there, these flaps for the intake runner, for the intake, for the port that's dividing the port in the middle, stuff like that. This I had before because I was making some tests for the studs, and I keep it also for the owner because he's gonna come today. So now I'm continuing with the pistons. Like I said, carefully don't mix it up, and then we're gonna see. Like I said, we're gonna have a conversation with the owner. He wants to talk to me about something about the ARP, I think, about the studs. We're gonna see, to see how we're gonna continue. That's it for now. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend.